Here we go, fourth graders. I am home with my youngest son, Ben. He is not feeling good, so I'm going to explain what to do for math today. So for math, what you will do, you will work on house hunters. So I know some of you are past some of these steps. I'm going to go through them very quick. Where I need you to get to is complete steps 1 through 7. So step number 4 here is where you're writing why do you like the house, square footage, and price. If I told you to skip writing why you like the house, then just skip it. In fact, if you have not done this part, only do the square footage and price. Skip why do you like the house. Then here in the place value tab, you're going to type the name of the places into row 1, and then type the square footage of each house into here. Then here you are going to be ordering them in value from least to greatest, and then down here there's nothing, so I don't know why I showed that. Then when you get to here, you're going to order the cost from least to greatest. This will get filled in as you are writing your prices there. And that is all I need you to get to. That takes you right up to step 7. The rest I want to do in group. When you finish this, you may do SumDog. I will also write the directions up on Classroom for you.